Hi, this is Handy Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out your ear pads on the Pulse Elite headset from Sony. I've used mine for quite some time. You can see they're kind of worn out here, starting to get loose here, and yeah, now it's time to swap out with some replacements. So what you do here, you put your finger or use a bending tool right at the edge here and just pull it out and it comes off, and you do the same on the other side here. Just pull it right off, comes out easily. You can see both of these has markings of which side they're supposed to. This one is R for the right side, this one is L for the left side. Same thing on these replacements. We have the L there, and this is the left side, so we'll start with that one. Let's see, you have the latches here on the side, and you can see them on the headset as well. Just align them correctly here, and then you can pop them into place. That went nicely. The right side as well. Let's see, align correctly here. And that pops into place as well. And that was it. So that's how you change your ear pad replacements, and it's about $10 to order these from different websites, so you can do it. There's a link in the description as well, and I hope this helped you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.